Hi, and welcome to the tutorial for how to book the masterclass for June 20th. If you do not have a My Music Staff account, then I highly encourage that you go ahead and get one set up. Now, just go ahead and reach out to me, and what I need to do is just send you a quick email for you to go ahead and get one set up. And then I have a tutorial already to kind of guide you through that. And you would just need to go and click this login button once you get it set up through the email I send you. And then I'm going to log into my test account, not my teacher account. And this will take me directly to that test account so I can walk you guys through the steps of how to book this masterclass. And this masterclass is for piano and vocal, both. So once you're logged into My Music Staff, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to this menu right here, go down to calendar and click on calendar. There's two ways to get to it. Either click on this book now button, or I'm going to go navigate back to calendar. You can click on next to schedule, find and book. Now the master class is in June. So we need to click on May and navigate to June. The master class is June 20th. Now keep in mind, you need to figure out or ask me what division you or your child is in. Division 2 is the beginner group. So if you or your child is in Division 2, the time for your master class is noon from 12 to 1:30. So this would be your time slot for Division 2. If you are Division 1 and you are the intermediate group, then your time slot would be 1:45 to 3:15. And I'll actually go in there and I will specify. So when you guys go in to book the class, I'll make sure to change that and specify Division 2, Division 1. So let's say you are a Division 2 beginner and you're going to book the 12 o'clock class. Just click on it. And there is a cost of $20 for the class. You do not have to pay that up front. It will bill it to your family account, and you can pay it right away on your account, or you can just pay it on the next invoice. I would suggest just paying it on the next invoice if you would prefer that. So it gives you some information about that. It gives you the date and the time. It tells you how many people have already booked it. And then it says this booking will be reflected on your next invoice. And then you just click on book now. And that's it. You can click on my schedule to be taken back to your schedule, or you can click on done. And that's it. So then if you're Division 1, you can do the same thing. And then if you wanted to go back and look at your invoice, you could drop down here to go to accounts and invoices. And then it should show, if you go drop down and click over to the June invoice, it should, let's see. Yeah. So as long as you click on June 20th, it will reflect that $20 charge right there. So then you can see that masterclass charge on your account and invoices tab. Okay, that should be everything. I will make sure to go in and change on the calendar appointments and add the Division 2 and Division 1 so you folks can clarify which class belongs to which division. And if you have any other questions, reach out to me and let me know. And that should about wrap it up. Thank you so much, and we'll see you at the masterclass.